अरुंधति रॉय रॉय 24 नवंबर 1961 को जन्म हुआ था अरुंधति रॉय का शिलोंग में, मेघालय में। मैरी किया था इन्होंने रॉय से, मैरी रॉय। मलयाली जैकोबाइट साइरन क्रिश्चियन वीमेंस राइट्स एक्टिविस्ट फ्रॉम केरला। एंड राजीव रॉय, a Bengali Hindu tea plantation manager from Calcutta. Roy attracted attention in 1994 under Roy when she criticized Shekhar Kapoor's film Bandit Queen based on the life of Poolan Devi. In Arundhati Roy film review, Poolan Devi entitled The Great Indian Rape Trick, she questioned the right to stage the rape of a living man without her permission and charged Kapoor with exploiting Poolan Devi and misrepresenting both her life and its meaning. Arundhati Roy is best known for her novel The God of Small Things 1997, which won the Man Booker Prize for Fiction in 1997 and became the best-selling book by a non-expatriate Indian author. Baby Kochamma is a famous female character in Arundhati Roy's novel The God of Small Things. Arundhati Roy is also a political activist involved in human rights and environmental causes. Arundhati Roy began writing her first novel, The God of Small Things, in 1992, completed in 1996, published best known 1997. The book is semi-autobiographical childhood experiences in Ayam, The Ministry of Utmost Happiness, 2017. Her second novel, The Ministry of Utmost Happiness, Arundhati Roy's second novel, takes us on a journey from Old Delhi to Kashmir and beyond, where war is peace and peace is war. Transsexualism, the India-Pakistan Kashmir conflict, racism and nationalism are major themes in the Ministry of Utmost Happiness. Arundhati Roy's subsequent literary output consisted mainly of politically oriented non-fiction. Arundhati Roy published several books including Power Politics 2001, War Talk 2003, Third Public Power in the Age of Empire 2004. In January 2004, Arundhati Roy was awarded the Sahitya Akademi Award for her collection of essays on contemporary issues, The Algebra of Infinite Justice. But Arundhati Roy declined to accept it. Arundhati Roy has written a television serial, The Banyan Tree. Arundhati Roy, her essay, Cost of Living. Arundhati Roy's essay, Cost of Living, focuses on the Narmada Valley, home to many people of minority tribes. Amitabh Ghosh, best known for his English language historical fiction, was born in Calcutta. Amitabh Ghosh won the 54th Jnanpith Award in 2018, India's highest literary honor. Amitabh Ghosh has also written non-fiction works discussing topics such as colonialism and climate change. Amitabh Ghosh is print journalist with the Indian Express. During the emergency, observed minutely the changing political and social condition in India. Arundhati Roy's debut novel, The Circle of Reason, 1986, tells the story of Nachiketa or Alu and his uncle Baluram. Arundhati Roy's debut novel, The Cycle of Reason, tells the story of Nachiketa or Alu and his uncle Balaram. The Shadow Lines 1988 by Amitabh Ghosh, split into two parts. The Shadow Lines by Amitabh Ghosh 1988 split into two parts, Going Away and Coming Home. The protagonist of The Shadow Lines is Tridib, a boy, protagonist of The Shadow Lines. The novel won the Sahitya Akademi Award. The Shadow Line by Amitabh Ghosh won the Sahitya Akademi Award in 1989. The Calcutta Chromosome by Amitabh Ghosh 1995 is based on the life of the Nobel Prize winning scientist Sir Ronald Roy, who did a breakthrough research on malaria in 1989. In 1989, Amitabh Ghosh won Sahitya Akademi Award for The Shadow Lines. The Glass Palace 2000 is the story of a young orphaned Indian boy, Rajkumar. The Glass Palace is a story of a young orphaned Indian boy, Rajkumar. Rajkumar is the protagonist of The Glass Palace by Amitabh Ghosh. And Burmese royal family. It has been divided into 7 parts. The Glass Palace divided into 7 parts. Sea of Poppy 2008 is the first book in Ibis trilogy. Sea of Poppy 2008 is the first book in Ibis trilogy. River of Smoke 2011 is the second, and The Flood of Fire 2015 is the third and final volume of Ibis trilogy. Main character Deeds Sea of Poppies provided an introduction to the Ibis trilogy, and The Voyage Beyond River of Smoke gave us a glimpse into Fenghui town and its workings. Flood of Fire provides us a finale to the voyage which covered the years leading up to the Opium Wars, set in a specific period in world history. The Ibis trilogy is far from being a cut and dry retelling of the Opium Wars. Gun Island 2019 गन आइलैंड अमिताभ घोष के गन आइलैंड 2019 में डील्स विद टू द बिगेस्ट इश्यू करंट मूवमेंट क्लाइमेट चेंज और ह्यूमन माइग्रेशन. जंगलनामा is a graphic verse novel written by Amitabh Ghosh and illustrated by Pakistani born American artist Salman Toor. The book Jangalnama was first published on the 12th of February 2021 by Fourth Estate India, and then in Great Britain on the 11th of November 2021 by John Murray Press. Jangalnama is Ghosh's first book in verse. The story explores themes of greed and ecology and misadventure. Amitabh Ghosh states that the story is an allegory for human-caused climate change. It is a Bengali tale about the Sundarbans forest goddess Bon Bibi who protects the Sundarbans. The story is written entirely in a poem-like style, which replicates the cadence of the original legend. On average, each line has 12 syllables. and each couplet has 24 syllables. After each line, there is a natural pause or a caesura, a break within the middle of a line caesura, called caesura. The book opens with prologue that describes the geography of the Sundarbans. The story is written in chapters and is followed by an afterword that describes the original legend, Dona Duki and Gramager. Non-fiction writing of Amitabh Ghosh. In an antique land, countdown, the great derangement, climate change, and unthinkable anthologies, dancing in Cambodia, and at large in Burma, the Imam and the Indian, a large collection of essays on different themes. In the last work, Smoke and Ashes, a writer's journey through opinions, hidden stories, Ghosh present his research on the history of opium. The history behind the first opium war also serves as the background to his Ibis trilogy.